on top of this post.
WTF, we're backing up. There is.
What the hell?
Oh, no, that was a mailbox. Yeah. I remember seeing a mailbox there that was
taken off?
Yeah, someone hit it.
Okay. So we chalk that up as hi guys. A shot.
Seems like it's raining less as we get closer to the river. Might be hope after all. But probably not. Yep, see, it timed out. I forgot to turn it off and turn it back on. Damn it. Just lost a little bit of me talking is all. Getting the umbrella ready and everything. So right up here we're digging. The past few days. And we left some gifts, so see if those have been taken and if anything has been changed. That's it. So we're doing something here a little bit different, which is just filming everything. You know what though, we filmed everything before and posted it on the Blue channel, and it's not exactly popular, so I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's on that channel.
That's on the channel that we haven't really
no one knows about.
Done anything with, so who knows? Yeah, that's one of those things with YouTube that he's looking at.
Definitely rained here. Shoes are all wet.
That's cool. See that?
Oh, back there.
Yeah. We'll find that. I swear, every time we come back here, more and more comfortable it just becomes.
That's really cool. I would do a what the frick it's called? Something with time. What do you call that? Time lapse.
Okay.
If I had the tripod. Jeez, can't frickin' talk. Trying to get the sun out of the way.
Still have to laugh every time I come up this way though. And seeing the rocks that are stacked the way they are.
Yeah.
And how we just how all this started.
Yeah, they're still there.
Yeah.
It is really how it started, because I was telling you way before Bigfoot stuff, I was like, there's signs and I want to follow them, but I've been there by myself and I'm not real comfortable. So I want to see if you'll come back there with me and just see where these signs are going, because they might be going to a mine, you know, because it's rock hounding. That's how it started. That wasn't enough though, because we followed those signs and we still didn't, it still didn't click, still didn't register. Two other things had to happen still. Are you fucking kidding me? It's all still here. It always was like that with this place.
Not so much a favorite spot anymore.
No, not for gifting. I mean, it's a freaking forest. It's been 2 days. You're telling me nothing eats apples or fresh fruit standing there? And then the Legos and the pine cone. It's all still here. And the onion. That is demotivating right there. Screw you too!
Been doing some digging, have you?
Oh yeah, these are my spots. Yeah. Oh yeah, you noticed like it's new, huh?
Right.
It's over the past month. This, yeah, and that. It's pretty big, huh? Nothing too awesome, honestly. It's, I mean, like look right here. There's purple and there's fluorite and there's crystals, but I've seen it, you know, I need something better at this point.
So now,
But see, like right here, crystal
cool.
structure and there's purple fluorite.
Nice.
I'm like, whatever at this point, you know. Need something better than that.
See, but now you got to the point where you could actually put, you
a
know, some
face.
plywood over it and stay for the night.
Just about.
Keep digging through the night.
Yeah, alright. That big chunk just needs to come out and then we could actually have a spot.
Because technically that's not camping, and that's not just for like that area. Specify here.
You know what, honestly, I think Mark Pera is the one that said that they don't really care if you camp up here. If you're kind of getting away and getting out there.
Right.
And then you're just like tent camping or...
I think it's more for like that area. Where, you know,
Yeah.
sand and beach type close to the river.
Cool, well, they didn't take anything. Taking my Legos back! Or should I leave them?
I don't know. I know there was a debate about taking stuff after you gifted it.
Was there?
Yeah, in my head.
Oh, in my head. I'll leave it. That's funny. Yeah, in my head. Sure looks good. Gifted to you guys from a child. How loving is that? You probably just haven't noticed it yet, huh?
I do like that you kind of doing this last month. I don't know if you follow on a walk somewhere and try to get something new.
There. Ooh. That's the car. Yeah. There's a Bigfoot sticker in it.
It's coming. It's a 400.
Mm-hmm. They just somehow, I don't know, went right off.
What's crazy is it didn't look like they took the fence out.
I know.
The barbed wire fence. Like maybe right there, but
Like
I would think it
barely.
would have.
Yeah, you'd think it'd be like trashed. It's really weird. So I wasn't filming because I was snacking. I got it back on now. We're just headed down. She's good. You good back there, Bigfoot? Yeah, we're slowing you down? Okay.
Bitch, get out the way.
We've got Mix-a-Lot. Who was that? Ludacris? Ludacris. Mix-a-Lot and Ludacris now. Which was a complete random guess at my part. I think that was a psychic ability actually there. Because Greg knew who it was, I didn't. But I said it. I was thinking it.
thing next video. That's what we're gonna do. Ready?
What we're gonna do. Show him, show him, show him.
Yeah, that's not very entertaining, is it?
Nope, you reminded me of something real quick. Hang on. If I can get a camera situated here. Camera rolling. Alright. So, message to Bigfoot to stop going invisible because it's not very much fun. You can't see me, and I'm talking, and I'm still here. You don't like that, right? So stop doing it. Show yourself. Yes? No? Maybe no? Did you see this in the trail? It's big. Stick.
Oh.
I think it's rotted.